Today we'll talk about how can you add Instagram on your Clubhouse app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do next, so just click here on add Instagram here. When you just click on it, then here automatically it's going to take you to your Instagram. Then can you link it or add your Instagram link here on your Clubhouse app. So you just click on it, then it's going to add with you to link your Instagram. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.